Welcome to our comparison of two powerful motherboards designed for AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors. The GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX ICE and the MSI PRO B650-S Wi-Fi. In this video, we'll explore their key features, specifications, and what sets them apart to help you make an informed decision for your next build. When it comes to pricing, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX ICE is priced at $244, making it the more expensive option. In contrast, the MSI PRO B650-S Wi-Fi offers a more budget-friendly price of $205. This difference in price may influence your decision based on your budget and the features you prioritize. Warranty is another critical factor to consider. The GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX ICE comes with a generous 5-year warranty, providing peace of mind for long-term use. On the other hand, the MSI PRO B650-S Wi-Fi offers a shorter 3-year warranty. This extended warranty from GIGABYTE could be a deciding factor for users looking for reliability. Lastly, let's talk about PCIe support. The GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX ICE supports the latest PCIe 5.0 standard, allowing for faster data transfer rates and better performance with compatible devices. In contrast, the MSI PRO B650-S Wi-Fi only supports PCIe 4.0. If you plan on using high-speed components, this difference could be significant. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE 650 AORUS Elite AX ICE and the MSI PRO B650-S Wi-Fi are excellent choices for an AMD Ryzen 7000 series build. The GIGABYTE board offers the latest PCIe 5.0 and a longer warranty, while the MSI board provides a more affordable option with solid features. Consider your budget and needs to make the best choice for your setup. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.